Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from How to Use Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your FuturePay account. To log into your FuturePay account, first of all, open a web browser and get to the URL box. Type in myfuturepay.com and search. You will now end up in the official website for FuturePay. Click on the three horizontal lines at the top right and click on the Agent Login option. This will now take you to the login page from where you will need to enter your credentials. Type in your username and then your password in the text boxes. If you don't remember your password, you can tap on the Forgot Password link and follow through the instructions. Finally, click on the Login button to log into your FuturePay account. And that way, you can access your FuturePay account in just a couple of minutes. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.